So, what if your next Facebook or YouTube ad didn't just look different? It sounded different. Music no one else has. Music that's uniquely yours. Well, today I'm showing you how to use Suno AI to build your own branded soundtracks, even remixing your own guitar licks or grooves for ads and content that stand out. No copyright issues, all platform safe, and ready to go. Let's do it.
Your biz, make it divine. Coaches, experts,
So why does this matter? Well, most ads reuse the same stock music libraries everywhere, and over time, ads start to sound identical. And you know what? That kills brand recognition. Using popular songs in ads, well, that can get your ads taken down, right? May have happened to you. Copyright flags, revenue lost, campaign momentum totally gone. Well, audio drives emotion. It drives retention, recall. And here's what's cool about it. Combine that with great visuals, and if you do weak audios, it equals average ads. Unique audio plus strong visuals equals brand power. So what Suno AI does is an AI music creation tool. You literally type in the vibe, you get a full song or instrumental from that vibe. But here's the real magic for musicians, creators, coaches, and experts, and hopefully that's you. You can upload your own audio if you want to. If you're doing a groove on the guitar, your beat, or a vocal hook, well, Suno AI can remix and expand it into a full branded track. You can just type in what you want. You don't have to even upload your own. And now the music truly represents you. Well, a remixed version of you, right? And I'm going to show you a quick demo of what I did. And the first thing is you want to record a short idea. Maybe just a 4 to 8 bar loop. If you're a guitar player, put in a riff, maybe a drum groove, whatever fits your brand, or just literally forget the instruments, just type it in there what you want. Then in step 2, you upload that clip into Suno. So this becomes your creative fingerprint. So you can upload it or just type it in, right? So that's one of the two there. Now you just tell Suno the mood and the genre. Maybe it's motivational, maybe it's more of an epic movie-like theme, or a smooth coaching vibe, a high energy lifestyle, and you generate multiple versions. It actually creates 2 out the gate. See which one enhances your message, and then export it as a track with a proper commercial license. You need a subscription for that, so never use a free plan music in ads. This is the same for Epic Sound, which is also another one that we use. So use it under your ad video. Build consistency across all campaigns, and this becomes your audio signature. It's all yours. And here's the cool thing. There's a legal aspect to this as well. As I mentioned just a few moments ago, the free plan equals non-commercial, so don't use that in ad. Commercial plans, however, it equals, essentially you can license it for your ads, and it's platform safe. Now, at this recording, it's actually true. If you upload your own recorded music, you strengthen your ownership, better protection as you can scale your campaigns. And treat music like a brand asset you control. And here's the cool thing. This actually makes your ads better. Your ads stop sounding, like everybody else's. People remember what feels different. Maybe you have an intro and an outro that's unique. And an audio is a shortcut straight to memory and emotion. We buy with emotion. Remember, I talked about that in previous videos. And you build trust faster. Your brand feels like it has a premium quality to it. And you can scale faster without copywriting or copyright landmines. So I want you to consider this next time and start playing with Suno AI. It's free to start, and you need the paid version, of course. But if you run ads and you want them to sound as good as they look, record a short groove, upload it to Suno, create your own track, or use it in your next ad. But you can just type into Suno as well. You don't have to upload anything. I'm a musician, so for me that's natural. And then start building your audio brand today. And if you want help with prompts and style choices, comment your niche below. Either a coach, consultant, a creator. And I'll show you, I might actually create another video on this depending on the interest on how to build your first ad-ready song. So I hope you enjoy these videos. This is a little bit different here, but subscribe and then you'll get the next video. And I'll give you some more detail on how we set this up to get the proper sound set up correctly. Make sure to get your brand and your ads to stand out, not just visually, but sonically. And by the way, Rick Beato, B-E-A-T-O, has a great video on Suno AI, which is the leader in this area. And he came out this week, and it actually inspired me to do this video to get this over to you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.